Rain falls softly on my window. Every drop calls out your name. Empty streets and quiet shadows. Nothing ever feels the same. Do you hear me in the thunder? Do you feel me in the rain? I always think about you on a rainy day. Are you better now, so far away? You're like a star in the endless sky, watching over me every night. Even when the world turns cold and gray, your light will never fade away. I close my eyes and there you are, my forever shining star. Clouds are drifting like my memories. Every tear becomes a song.